Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again, welcome back to your class, Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our previous standard, means standard 10, we have studied about trigonometric ratios and different angles. Students, those topics we are going to just do the quick revision over here about trigonometric identities. So what are the trigonometric identities? Can you tell me? So students, here is the definition of trigonometric identities. An equation involving trigonometric function. An equation involving trigonometric function. The trigonometric functions are what? Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec and cot. Which is true for all those angles. Which is true for all those angles. The angles may be 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and so on, for which the functions are defined. On these angles, the function is defined. In that case, you can say that the trigonometric identities. So in short, students, you can say that an equation involving trigonometric function which is true for all those angles for which the function are defined is called trigonometric identities. Okay, so let us see the trigonometric identities. So first of all, we are starting from sine. So we know that sine theta, theta is particularly angle. So we can write sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. If you want to find out cosec theta, so cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So product of these two means sine theta into cosec theta will be what? 1. So students, from this relation you can form three formulas of trigonometric identities. Now the next is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So sec theta can be written as 1 upon what? Cos theta, right? So sec theta into cos theta is what? 1. Next is tan theta. Tan theta can be written as 1 upon cot theta, and the reciprocal of cot theta is what? 1 upon tan theta. So the product of these two functions, tan theta and cot theta, will be what? 1. Right, student? And student, we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Otherwise, you can write this one sec theta upon cosec theta. And similarly, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So you can write what? Cosec theta by sec theta. Okay, student, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. If you want to formulate sin square theta, so sin square theta will be what? 1 minus cos square theta. If you want to find out cos square theta, then it will be 1 minus sin square theta. Right, student? Similarly, we know that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Moving to this side. So sec square theta minus tan square theta will be what? 1. If you want to find out tan square theta minus sec square theta, so it will be what? Minus 1. And if you want to find out tan square theta, so tan square theta will be moved to that side, so sec square theta minus 1. So in this way, students, from one formula you can get three more formulas. Okay. The next is cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is what? 1. So what about cot square theta minus cosec square theta? That will be minus 1. You want to find out cot square theta? So cot square theta will be what? It will be moved to that side. So cosec square theta minus 1. So students, from one relation you can get 3 more relations. Right students? And we have studied that if angle theta is less than 0 and 90, the theta angle lies between 0 and 90. We have studied sine 90 minus theta what? Cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Similarly, sin cosec 90 minus theta what? Sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta will be what? Cosec theta. Then cot 90 minus theta tan theta, and tan 90 minus theta what? Cot theta. Students, all these things we have studied in standard 10th. Now students, I will tell you how to find out the value of different angle from 0 to 90 degree of different trigonometric function. Means students, so here students, I am going to tell you a very easy trick. If you forgotten an exam, if you are conducting some exam and you don't know the value of sin 90, sin 60, cos 30, tan 30, so how can you remind these things? So students, I am going to tell you a trick that will be very beneficial for you in entire life. Whenever you are studying, you are dealing with the trigonometry, and you want to find out the value of different angle, so you can get the ideas from this table. Okay students, so first of all, what you will have to do over here, just write down 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? The next step is what? Divide all these number by 4. Divide all these number by 4. So 0 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, 3 is divided by 4, and 4 is divided by 4. Now students, you can simplify these things. So 0 divided by 0, so obviously 0. 1 divided by 4, so it will be cancelled out, so 1 by 2. So there will be 3 by 4, 4 will be cancelled. What we are getting? 1. Next step, student, find out the square root of all these integers. So square root of 0, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 1 by 2, square root of 3 by 4, square root of 1. Okay student? So by simplifying these things, what we are getting? Square root of 0, 0. Square root of 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Square root of root 3 by 4, root 3. Square root of 4 will be what? 2. And square root of 1 will be what? 1. So this is the simplified form of all these steps. So students, what you will have to write over here? Just write down sin theta. Right? In this way. Write down theta over here. This is the value of sine 0 degree. This is the value of sine 0 degree. If theta is 0, this is the value of sine 0 degree. If theta is 30 degree, sine 30, this is the value of sine 30. This is the value of sine 60. This is the value of 0, 30, sorry, this is 45. This is what? 60. And this is the value of sine 90 degree. So students, you can say that the value of sine 0 is 0, value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, value of 45 is 1 by 2, value of 60 degree root 3 by 2, and the value of 90 degree is what? 1. Now you want to find out the value of cos theta at different angle. Right students, what you will have to do over here? Just reverse all these integers. Right students, here 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So this is head and tail. So you will have to reverse these things. So we will get over here sin cos 0 degree is what? 1. Cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree what? 1 by 2. And cos 90 degree there will be 0. Now finding tan theta. So students, we know that tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta. So 0 divided by 1, obviously 0. 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So we are getting 1 upon root 3. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta, both will be same. So these will be cancelled out. We are getting what? 1. Then sin theta by cos theta means root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. We are getting what? Root 3 and 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is undefined. What is undefined? Now you want to find out cot theta. What you will have to do? Just reverse all these values. Means 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. This is head and this is tail. So you will have to reverse like that, right? So the cot 0 degree means cot 0 degree will be what? Infinity. Cot 30 degree will be root 3. Cot 45 degree 1. Cot 60 degree will be what? 1 by root 3. And cot 90 degree will be what? Cot 90 degree means 0. Okay, student. Now cosec theta. We know that cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So you will have to write the inverse of all these elements, right? So cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So there will be 1 upon 0. If you will get 1 upon 0, so 1 upon 0 will be what? Undefined. This will be inverse means 2 by 1. There will be 2. So what about this one? Root 2 by 1. This will be root 2. And here is 2 by root 3. And here is 1 by 1. Again we are getting 1. Now you can find out what? Sec theta. So sec theta, you want to find out sec theta. So just you will have to reverse these elements. So 1, 2 by root 3. There will be 2. We are missing something. 1, 2 by root 3. Here is root 2. There will be 2. And here will be infinity. So students, in this way you can find out the value of trigonometric ratio at different angle. Hope students you have understood with this video lesson. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again.